This is how we jive from mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. We have Philips nose trimmer NT5000, then we have Remington, that is travel kit 13-piece kit, and we have Wahl micro groomsman detail trimmer. This is German, this is American, this is brand from Netherlands. If I try to cut my hair, let's see. Lovely. Lovely. You can cut beards also here, different places. Let's start with this tool. You see, let's see in the nose. Lovely. And we'll cut some hair. You see I have here something. If I try to cut with this one, I put some size to trimmer. I use this one this way. If I try to cut here from this side, I think this is cutting not that powerful. Okay, after trying this tool couple of days, Philips, Remington and Wahl tool in this case will go to the verdict of this product. Okay, this is German brand Wahl. This you see is a lot noisy in this case. It's cheap one you can buy with the 10 to 15 dollar or euro, so it's a cheap product. It's very handy, small in size. So if you are thinking something very small carrying with you with AAA battery, this could be your choice in this case. So in this case, I not recommend this one. It's for the people who wants to carry small tool, easy all the places. This one for them. If we go to at the middle range, if you have a budget price, this is 14 euros to 15 euros depend. Remington travel tool, travel kit. You see how professional noise it has. So in mid-range, this is a lovely tool. If you really want a good professional tool with high quality, when you take at your hand, you feel a premium. This is Philips in this case. So you listen the noise, how powerful this machine is. I've tried, so I would recommend this one. Obviously it's high budget, 24 euros, 14 euros, 11 euros. So different the price, which one you want. Put them together so you can listen. This one, this one, this one, all of them together. You see how they are. So if you tell me to recommend which one, Philips one I recommend, depend on your budget and choices. But all of them has the pros and cons. If you're on budget and good price, this one, Remington, is a good one. Is a budget, high quality as a premium. This go for this one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.